YouTube. So, just bought recently a 7.62 by 39 case of 1970's Yugoslavian ammunition, and this is the box that it came in. It looks like it's from 1970, so I will unbox it and see what we got. So here we go. As you can see, it is internally sealed in a metal tin with a pull wire. It looks like it's some kind of a silicone grease on the seam. So here we go, we're going to rip it open. See what we got. So that looks like individual boxes, and as you can tell, definitely from Eastern Europe. Supposedly this ammo is corrosive, and they come on stripper clips. So, as you can see, this round actually says 1979. Don't know if it'll come out with the camera. See if this works. That was bad lighting. So, that's the unboxing. Thanks for watching. Have a good night.